Okay, let's see.
Ooh.
Ooh, I like that. Oh, this is Mystic. Okay. I feel like I smell like a fairy. Like, this is what fairies smell like.
It kind of makes me think of springtime.
Oh yeah, I like this one.
Este me huele a pino. Me huele como a bosque, como a naturaleza.
It does remind me of my childhood. So it takes me back a little bit again to my pueblito in Mexico, when I was running around the river making mud cakes, and like there was a bunch of greenery around us, and this is what it smells like.
I see myself wearing this perfume on a girls' night out, just getting some margaritas.
This perfume makes me feel sexy.
Este perfume me hace sentir libre, me hace sentir como correr, como sensación de aire, de libertad.
And I would wear it every day and to a date, so I can enchant the date. Yeah, it's beautiful.